wanna play massage, Macy? Wanna play massage? You wanna play massage? Play massage. See, Daddy wants us to play. You can't get her to play with you, Macy? Why won't you play with her, Saj? You say I'm too old? Macy, you gonna play with Saj? Play with Saj. Go play with her, Macy. Go play with Saj. What's that on your arm? Macy, do you know your name? Macy, go play with Saj. Go ahead. You play with Saj? There you go, play with her. There you go. So maybe later, huh? Maybe later.